Yeah, question 5. Show that f of x equal to 1 over x. Satisfy the hypothesis mean value theorem on the interval 4,9. Find the values of c for which the conclusion of mean value theorem is satisfied. So let's look at the conditions. Let's take the conditions. The first one, f of x is continuous on that interval, 4,9, must continuous. It must differentiable. Let's see if it's differentiable. Get the first differential of f of x. Get the differential of that function, and that will be equal to what? That will be equal to this. Is what? Is differentiable on 4,9. So with that condition, that means the mean value theorem is what? Is satisfied. Mean value theorem is what? Is satisfied. So let's now get look for the way to get c. Be f prime of c, first differential as a function of c will be equal to f of 9 minus f of 4 all over what? All over 9 minus 4. Okay, there's also videos on this on the playlist of calculus 1. Okay, there are a lot of examples on mean value theorem. So please endeavor to check those videos for in-depth understanding. First differential as this, substitute there, that'll be minus 1 over what? Over this equal to f of 9, that'll be 1 over 9 minus f of 4, that'll be 1 over 4. Just substitute into your function all over. That's 9 minus 4, that's 5. So that's what we have. Let's solve this one. This will be 4 minus 9 all over 36. So times 1 over 5. So this will give us minus 5 over 36 times 1 over 5. So this one and this one we cancel. So we have now minus 1 over c squared equal to minus 1 over 36. So the minus cancel each other. Then reciprocate both sides. We have this. Then c is equal to what? C is equal to plus or minus what? Plus or minus. So the minus, we are going to knock out the minus. Minus 6 is not a member of this interval. 6 satisfy what? Satisfy the mean value theorem. 6 satisfy. You got a 4 into that range. Please to advance this channel. Okay, we keep saying it because that's the only way the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, will push the video to larger audience. Okay, so if you're new, you're yet to subscribe, quickly do that now by clicking on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Not just that, but also put your comment through, type your comments. Okay, and finally share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that. Yeah, question 6. Graph the region between y equal to x squared and y equal to minus x squared plus 2 from x equal to minus 1 to 2. B. Set up the integrals for finding area of regions between y equal to x squared and y equal to this. X equal to minus 1, so x equal to 2. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to find the point of intersection. That will be the step 1. And by doing so, we are going to equate the two equations together. So we have this. We have 2 x squared equal to what? 2. So x squared is equal to what? 1. We have x is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, so that's the point of intersection. Let's do the graph now. We're going to have this. This is my y-axis. This is my x-axis. The coefficient of your x squared is positive. So I'm going to have a bold shape like this. Open up. And the graph of this one, we've done it many times. It's going to be this form. The graph will be this form. The second one, the attachment, the coefficient of x squared is negative. It's going to be what? Open down. So it's going to be a cap shape. And that will be on top of this. That will be on top of this. So I can extend this one more. So that will be on top of this. Then we have the intersection points. Let this one continue more. So here will be -1. That's a point of intersection. Here will be what? Will be 1. The question is saying that from what? From -1 to 2. So that means the graph does not stop there. So this is the region we need. We're going to shape this place. So this one, the equation for this graph here, this one is a minus x squared plus 2. This one is what? Y equal to what? Y equal to x squared. So I'm going to make this place to be my q. I'm going to extend this one to meet the second graph, to meet the two of them. So they meet at this point here. So that's that for the sketching. The B part, find the area of regions. The area is going to be what? We're going to have the integral. We have from -1 to 1. What's the equation there? We have the one on top, the cap shape. That's a minus s squared plus 2. That's the top one. The one below, that's minus what? Minus s squared. So dx. So I'm done with that. Then the second one will be from 1 to 2 plus integral from 1 to 2. I have here this one, the bow shape. That's x squared. Okay, minus this one is on top, this one is below that, so that's minus what? Minus x squared plus 2. So that's that on this case. Also on the playlist for calculus 1, there are videos on these graphing on this aspect, so endeavor to check more of that for in-depth understanding. So this one will now become -1 to 1. This one and this one, that's a minus 2x squared plus 2 plus this one, minus minus, that's a plus 2x squared, and then minus 2 dx. So that's from 1 to 2. Okay, and we are not told to solve, we are just told to set up the integral, actually we will have stopped here. You will have stopped here, and if you have more time, there's no crime, you can also stop here. So that starts on these question 6. Okay, so check the playlist for more questions on these aspects. So this is the typical exam questions. So at this point, please click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Okay? Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Okay, and finally, also for one-on-one discussion or group discussion, you can send me an email for interactions, and we can book and arrange for the class. Next question, question 7.